love till the morning now. Just do what you feel like, have a good chance. Nobody can judge you for your life. Then look at that shame, you be done fast like.
Yeah, it's disappointing, you know, we're playing at our home after 5 years absence from here. I love the support. I think the spectator came out to support the team. It's a pity that we couldn't give them a victory today, but such is football. We just have to build and continue working hard, you know. Yeah, we haven't been scoring, but we continue giving up goals. We made 2 mistakes and gave up 2 goals, but I think we fought, we tried to get back in the game, but it didn't happen today, you know. We got our own goal and we were pressing for the other one and it just didn't come, you know. It was work in progress. We have to continue work. We have to continue building our chemistry here, you know, but it's gonna take a time. We just have to continue working hard and try and maintain our status in the top 6. That is the aim this season, and try and get to the semi-finals. So we have to start scoring goals and stop giving up goals.
Coach, regarding this scoring goal, you think it's a matter of quality goal or just like creating a chance?
We create the chances, them, you know, but the finesse, the composure that you need, the confidence that you need from the players is not there yet. You know, we just have to continue work, you know. Well, we have to win games, you know. We can't lose so many games and hope to try and challenge for the title. You know, we have to stop losing games now, and the next game we have to take it seriously again and try and get 3 points.